This is Cyberdark. Today I'm going to talk about how you can make money through Webtalk.co. First thing you can do is sign up, open an account, watch the introductory video. See what the introductory video is. The future of networking. Look at live, play, or money. So use for personal and professional. So the thing is like work with a job. You can chat with people online. They manage they manage your contacts for businesses, put resumes, post stuff online, make videos, and get newsfeed, photo feed, video feed, files feed, group channels. Kind of like a social media network. And they use share content against all social media platforms. Earn real cash rewards for being social pays big. Yeah, it's available on Google Play Store and Apple Play Store. Then just reloop. Okay, first you want to figure out how to earn money. Looks like everything through video. So there's a reloop of the same video. They have an affiliate program. 10% charity. So for every profit they make based on membership and so forth, they donate 10% to charity. Okay, you hit the about button, then you can figure out how old the company is. You can post multiple networks at one time. Oh, you put one post, it could go to 5 social media, multiple social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. That's how it looks based on insight. End-to-end relationship management. You manage everything in one app, all in one profile. Give you live news, upcoming. Later they'll have contacts with connect with your Gmail, then files using like Google Drive, Box, Dropbox, and data media. Companies since 2020, I think they just updated. To contact them, you can contact by. They have a help desk for you. How to get paid, refer affiliates, ad management, ad accounting settings. You post their ads and then you get paid by referrals. Referral reward commission plan. Pro subscription commission. Okay. See how the ad pool works. Share 50% of its ads back to its users. So you get 50%. Let's say it was $4,000. 50% of that, $2,000. How to earn ad pool rewards, engagement. 10 points for each like, 20 points for each comment, and 30 points for each share. There's no limit of how much you can earn. You earn matching points. So there's like 5 levels. So calculate by cash, pie slices, and points. So figure out how much you made. This is you. You're not the level 1, but level 0, just beginner stage. And then based on adding all this up to calculate your average, $23.73. So I think they added from here on the cash part. So to calculate the points, it'll be based on the likes, comment, and share. So you can contact them mostly, it looks like, through email, I presume. You can join their affiliate program. Earn 10% revenue share for life. So every advertising subscription, you get 10% of the sale if they sign for like a big promotion based on their membership plan. They pay you through PayPal, Coinbase, and TransferWise. TransferWise maybe transfer money to your bank account, but PayPal is the most safe, so you better just create a PayPal account. You can post from Webtalk, share profile and content links, import your contacts online through their app, and they give you a limited time bonus offer. Calculate your potential income. They have a calculator for that. Looks like it works. Okay, number of users, 20 users. Enter the percent of users, 10%. So amount of ad revenue per person, $2. Then you calculate. Okay, at level 1, 20 users times 2, that's $40. 400 times 2. So each one based on how many users. The more users you have, the more money you make. And it's free to enroll. So all you gotta do is, it goes back to the normal page. Hit the sign up button. So who invited you? Referral email or Webtalk ID. So it's only based on invite only. I've received the invite, but I haven't applied for their program. Let's see if it's legit or a scam. This is a review so far. Webtalk. One joint company. They're not getting paid. They saw all the promotions online. It's created in 2020, but I think it's created before that. It follows the MLM business model, which is just use referral link. It's like free advertising on the website. MLM is a free advertising. I discussed that in my past videos on MLM Gateway. All it is just you advertise your business. You get 10 credits to begin with, and you can use it to advertise how many businesses until you hit a certain amount of clicks or conversion. When it runs below 5 credits, you'll have to refer more people with a special code when you create an account. Then if they sign up for MLM Gateway, you get 25 credits. And if they sign up for a premium program, a membership program, you get commission about 35%. And it's like the same feature. You advertise and share your link, make people join. But this one is based on referrals. So only the referrals can join. Anybody not part of like have a Webtalk account, they cannot join online. Said the domain was registered in 2010 and renewed on 2018. The name Robert Garbage is the owner of the site with the same address. Let's see, did anybody say bad things about it so far? Social media platform is a similar like Facebook, where you can add friends, share photos. The Webtalk limitation. Professional level, $20 a month or $200 annually. You can have 500 contacts, that's the limit. 5 messages per month for non-connected Webtalk. 5 for email messages. No banner ads, and see who view your profile. Pro is $30 or $300 a month, a year. 1,000 contacts. It's pretty much like doubled. If you spend $40, you get unlimited contacts. Unlimited. View profile incognito without them knowing. Able to search for members using age and gender search engine parameters. Can send 20 messages per month to non-connected Webtalk members and 20 email messages per month. So far, it looks legit. So far, no one has a problem with it. And they pay you monthly, looks like. Every month you'll get a check. Advertising fees will be based on a percentage of sales. So, as I mentioned, it's like give you 50%. 50% to users, 50% for them. Because you're doing all the hard work. So, if someone gets a premium subscription, you get 10% of the profit on an affiliate program. 10% of any ad spent paid to you in commissions. Oh, so it's not 50%. So the 50% maybe for some other form of ad when you hit the premium level, I presume. So 10% ad for local stores that are purchased by your Webtalk members will be paid you in commission. If they purchase your ad, you get 10%. So you can earn ads by people purchasing it, or if you get a sponsor, you get 10% for buying your ads. You get 2 to 9% when a product is purchased through Webtalk news feed will be paid to you in commissions. So I think that means like, okay, you have an Amazon, right? You post it on Webtalk, and if they bought the Amazon product, you'll get 2 to 9%. Plus, you'll get your Amazon commission up to about 10%, depending on what type of products you sell. So pretty much you're making double income on 2 different websites. That seems good. For every subscription that is sold through the app, they'll pay you 5% commission. And there's a total of 5 levels. Each one explains different details, but it's the same. Not count toward these numbers. Okay, if you're on subscription, not count toward the numbers. 10% commission for each level, up to level 5. Okay, Webtalk is not part of the Better Business Bureau. There's not a determining factor for a company being a scam or not, so far. It doesn't have any complaints so far, based on Google search. Says that you type the company in the review. So far, there's no scam so far. So far, they said it's a legit website. So I think the person already tested out the program and maybe got paid for it. So I hope you like this video. Give a thumbs up, hit the like button, and subscribe to my channel, Cyber Dragon. Hope to see you guys next time. Bye.